Coop is one of the biggest food retailer in Sweden, and we have built this warehouse which is 77,000 square meters big. We can ship out of here nearly 440,000 parcels per day, and the picking capacity is nearly 600,000, which is really impressive. Our resident maintenance team is quite a big team, and we also have a full IT group here supporting the customer in their daily business, and their tasks are related to the WAMAS software that we delivered, control the way the WAMAS works, the flow that we have here. They need to respond on every disturbances. Whenever something happens, they are of course first line to support the customer with some delays, some kind of problems that we may face daily.
My team is responsible for performing the maintenance 24/7 on this facility. We're here weekends, we're here Christmas, and we're here New Year's Eve to make sure that the facility runs as smooth as possible. The main tasks of the RM team is to do the preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance can be lubrication, tightening of chains. We also do a lot of preventive maintenance on lifts and shuttles. We have over 600 shuttles installed that needs to be maintained twice a year. We of course align everything with the customer to make sure that they can fulfill all their orders in time and in full.